Ain't nobody got time for that.
Bye, have a great time.
Got him!
Oh, hell no!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hello, cutie pie.
You suck, you jackass.
What a joker.
Angie Asimus, 7 News.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
A few inches later. A few moments later. One eternity later. Eventually. Meanwhile.
Frag out!
Target neutralized. Tango down.
Hello, this is mShpell. I really hope you did enjoy the sound effects pack number 3. Once again, I've done 3 different versions. I would highly recommend, if you want these sound effects, just download the zip file, because that way they are available for you individually, and I think it's just easier to access them rather than the video or the audio version. But then again, some people prefer that way, but like I said, I've still done 3 different versions, so you can always download which one you want. And if for whatever reason you've just come to this video, you know, be sure to check out my part 1 and part 2, because there's technically like another 100 more sound effects than you can use for your own videos. And once again, I've just uploaded these without any copyright issues, so that's why the video is called non-copyrighted. If there are any issues with it, you know, I'll change it immediately, but I'm pretty sure there won't be. But anyway, I really hope you did enjoy. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.